Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to remove home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile. Why would you want to know how to remove home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile? Well, maybe it is your first time using Tecno Mobile and not sure how to remove home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile. So today I am going to show you how to remove home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Removing home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all Tecno devices. Let me show how you will remove home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile. I have added few widgets on my home screen and now I want to remove this one, so first of all tap and hold these widgets and then click on remove to remove this widget from your home screen, and your widgets has been removed from home screen. So there you go. If you were wondering how to remove home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.